Okay, we have this question here. It says the U.S. Air USA has a policy of booking as many as 24 people on an airplane that can seat only 22. 87% of passengers arrive for the flight. Find the probability that if Air USA books 24 people, not enough seats will be available. So this only happens if 23 people or 24 people show up. So we're looking for the probability of 23 people plus the probability of 24 people. You can either find these individually and then add them up, or you can say that's just going to be equal to 1 minus the probability of 22 or less. So in our calculator, we're going to go to binomial, CDF. There's 24 trials. Success rate is 0.87. Oops. We wanted the probability of 22 or less. So after we get that, and then we're going to simply just subtract that from 1. 1 minus. So our answer is going to be 0.1621.